Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Many iPhone users are reporting that when they tap the lock screen, the screen takes a while to wake up. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Reboot your iPhone. For that, launch Settings app. Next, find and tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Shutdown. Turn off your iPhone by dragging the slide to power off slider to right side. Wait for 10 seconds and turn your device back on. Solution 2. Turn off guided access. Launch Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on Accessibility. Scroll down. Next, tap on Guided Access. If this feature is turned on, turn it off. Solution 3. Update all apps. On-off users said that updating all apps solves this issue. For that, navigate to the App Store. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. Next, tap Update All. Solution 4. Force restart your iPhone. If you have iPhone 10, 11, 12, 13, 15 and iPhone SE second and third generation, do the following steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Resetting the all settings resets your all customized settings like ringtone and notification sound, alarm, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. But none of your personal data will be deleted like mail, messages and photos. To do this, open the Settings app, tap on General, scroll down to the bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap on Reset, tap Reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode. In the pop-up window, tap Reset all settings. Again, tap Reset all settings to confirm the process. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.